Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. It's Maria Nairobi. For other ones that's returning, thank you, thank you, thank you. And all my new babes, hey girl, hey. All right, y'all. So this is going to be a natural hair video. I haven't did a natural hair video in so long. But before we get into the video, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. I do lifestyle, fashion, and beauty on this channel. I really would appreciate this support. Make sure you're following me on all platforms, Maria Nairobi, and let's just get really into it. All right, so I just washed my hair and I literally stretched it in two buns. I am like a 4B, 4C texture. And I'm trying to think of anything else. So what we're going to be doing today is a Bantu night out. I haven't wore like a natural style in so long. I have been protective styling just because like it's just easier for me. Like when you have natural hair, you already know like it's just a lot of work. It's easier for me just to slap a wig on. So yeah. So what the products I'm going to be using is I do have a concoction here. My goal is to post this, how I made this concoction. This is really just a moisturizing hair growth concoction. It looks so nasty, but it works. It works. So I already moisturized my hair. So it's really moisturized at this point. And then I'm also going to use some of the Lotta Body Bone Mousse. And yeah, let's just get right into it, y'all. I'm just going to be pulling sections. I am not like officially parting it or anything. And I do want like bigger hair. So I'm going to do like bigger sections. So yes, my goal is to have waist length hair. Y'all, I'm trying to get there. So I am going to go in just with a little bit of the product. The little concoction that I made. It's already moisturized, but I am going to try to going to be like finger detangling first and then go through it with a wide tooth comb. If you don't do it that way, you could cause breakage. And like I said, I'm really trying to retain length. So you got to be careful how you handle your hair, especially when it's dry. So now I'm going to go in. I had Nairobi mousse. When my daughter found out she had a mousse named after her, it's like, oh my gosh. I'm like, no, it's actually a place. But I would rather the Nairobi mousse because it claims to not have water in it. I don't know how true that is. Like any liquid, like doesn't it have to have water? I don't know. Somebody answer that in the comments. Doesn't it have to have water? But anyway, so what you're going to do, let me start that over. So I put some of the mousse on. And then what you want to do is just start twisting. You don't want to twist too much at the base because it will twist itself and it's going to be very tight. So, yeah. And then you're just going to twist in to like a little coil, a little Bantu knot. And you're just taking your fingers and just twirling it around. And I'm going to take some of the oil or the little concoction I made and put it at the ends. And that's how it should look. And then what I want to do, just so it can stay, I do have bobby pins. Yeah, I'm so tired. I can't wait to get this done. I just cooked dinner, cleaned up downstairs. I am ready for bed. My daughter is washing up. She already read for the night. And we are taking it down. I still got to shower and do my face routine though. So you just want to put a bobby pin back there just so it can stay. Oh. So basically, you're just going to keep doing that. So I'm just going to do another one in the back. And again, I'm not parting it. It's like really no rhyme or reason. I'm just pulling hair. You just want to do the same thing. Get whatever. Some people use like a twisting gel or curling put in, whatever you want to use. I just want to make sure my hair is moisturized. Another thing too, make sure you're starting at the bottom and just working your way up. You're gonna go in with this. And then you want to twist. You may hear my daughter singing in the background, y'all. She loves music and loves to sing. When I was pregnant with her, I used to sing a lot to my stomach. All right, so I'm struggling with my hand motions right now. There we go. I will say this, they're not the easiest to sleep on, I'm gonna be real. But I mean, whatever. I feel like women, look, you already know. Beauty is pain. It is what it is. Here we go. Hopefully this is showing up on camera good.
You did that. Yeah, you crossed the line about 1,000 times and I did that. Yeah, I stayed a while, tried to make it right. Cigarette. No, I never smoked, but my heart is broke, explosive. Stressing for that old thing back. That initial love, all the goosebumps, those flutters in my gut, turn into disgust. What a waste of love, babe. I just wanna go back to how it was, lay in each other's arms all day. Send me gifts just because. Tell me where we went wrong. Started out as homies, ended up as lovers. How'd it get so ugly? Can't we rediscover, baby, what it was? Or let's be honest, it was just a lover. You were so romantic, we were picture perfect. So much freaking passion, why we never got it back, babe? It was just a lover. Really wish you didn't push me away. I was willing to try, long as it takes. I would never say we were a mistake, but fleeting romance doesn't a lifetime make. That initial play, all the goosebumps, those flutters in my gut, turn into disgust. What a waste of love, babe. I just wanna go back to how it was, baby. Lay in each other's arms all day, all day. Send me gifts just because it's Tuesday. Tell me where we went wrong. Started as fantasy, ended as enemies. How'd it get so ugly? Can't we rediscover, baby?
Yes, we should. That's what it's saying.
But it's not really their fault. They tried to make.
Good morning. All right, y'all. So this is the next morning. Hopefully it is dry. I think it is though. I'm gonna go on with some cactus oil. You can use any oil that you want. I know like a common one is like olive oil or coconut oil. You really just want to put it in your hands, because when you're unraveling any twist out, Bantu out, braid out, you don't want to, you want it to keep your definition. So keeping your hands oily is less likely like to cause frizz. So you literally just put it on your hands, and then it'll help you unravel your whatever your style is, with keeping your definition.
Is your lip bar?
Yeah, I'm so hot. In the morning, I be so hot. Oh, and I got my fan on. And I have central air. Ooh. Oh man, I'm getting a call. Sorry, y'all, I got a call. But yeah, you just want to keep unraveling it. It's funny, my daughter was like, you should just keep the style. I'm like, no. I'm going to show the girls how to take it down. No, I'm good, baby.
Please.
No, I got it, babe.
Do you actually like it like that?
Not yet. I will though.
But like, if that one was more down, and that one was, if everything was more down, would you like it?
Yeah. So what you want to do is just take it out, and Nairobi, hold on, babe. And like twiddle it in like your finger, or curl it in your finger.
Oh, now I get it.
Nairobi, I don't need help, baby.
We both got the glossy lips.
I know. My lips is popping.
But my lips is not glossy as yours.
Yeah, because I had something before.
You had this.
Nairobi. But like I told you yesterday, I did want, or last night rather, I wanted bigger hair.
Can I put this later? Or you want to keep it out?
You can put that in there, babe. And this is basically what you're doing.
Oh my god, it looks so cute! Is that how my hair's going to look?
You did that. Yeah, you crossed the line about 1,000 times and I did that. Yeah, I stayed a while, tried to make it right. Cigarette. No, I never smoked, but my heart is broke, explosive. Stressing for that old thing back. That initial love, all the goosebumps, those flutters in my gut, turn into disgust. What a waste of love, babe. I just wanna go back to how it was, lay in each other's arms all day. Send me give.
Fine. That wasn't you. Oh, no. Alright, y'all. So this is how it looks. Like I said, if you want like a lot of definition, you want to do smaller section or really saturate your hair. If you want bigger hair, bigger sections, not a lot of product. All right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to, and this is like gets rid of this like middle part, and it fluffs it to make it bigger. I think I want, yeah, that's what I think I want.
Do you speak Polly?
Yes.
It looks like you have a big right here.
Yeah, because I actually do have bangs because I had heat damage. I had heat damage here, y'all, so I had to chop it. So that's why it looks like that in the front. I had really bad heat damage. So if this is not enough, then you can go in with a wide tooth comb or a pick, and you just go to the roots. You're not going to go to the ends of your hair, only the roots.
That's no fair because I don't have a big at all.
And that's okay, mama.
But I want one.
You can like kind of like lift the hair up and make it as big.
Is that your hair for today?
Yep.
You look like a whole different Maria. Sorry.
Period. Getting those roots.
Did you wet your camera?
No.
It looks. It's weird because you're recording right now, but you're saying you're not recording.
I am recording. I was saying the audio.
Is this the audio?
Yes. So what you want to do too, you can just go through and see if you find some curls that still need to be separated, and you can separate them. Just remember, the more you separate them, the bigger their hair, less definition. So yeah. But this is the final look, y'all. This is my Bantu Nada on stretched hair. Hopefully y'all learned something. Hopefully y'all like it. And yes, I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.